In today's video, we are answering the question, should you be your own registered agent? A lot of you are probably wondering this if you have an LLC, S Corp, or C Corporation. When it's time to renew your registered agent service, you might be thinking, should I save money and be my own registered agent, or should I hire an outside service to handle it for me? Well, in this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know, and I'll give you my opinion on the subject. But of course, this decision is yours to make. What is a registered agent? A registered agent is someone responsible for receiving any official notices for your business. For example, if the Secretary of State is trying to contact your business, if someone needs to send compliance-related documents, or if you're being served a process, SOP, for a lawsuit, your registered agent ensures that you, the business owner, receive these legal notices in a timely manner. A registered agent can be a person or a business. Most states require LLCs and corporations to have one. So, what are the requirements to be a registered agent? To be a registered agent, you need to have a physical street address. P.O. boxes are not valid in most states. Additionally, someone must be available during regular business hours to receive documents. Each state's requirements may vary, so I recommend checking your state's specific rules to ensure you meet the necessary qualifications if you want to be your own registered agent. Now, you might be thinking, can you be your own registered agent? Yes, you can be your own registered agent. Almost anyone can, as long as they are in the state and meet the requirements we just discussed. However, most companies choose to designate a separate individual or entity as their registered agent. It's usually not the CEO, CFO, or any other business owner. First, let's see the facts that why you shouldn't be your own registered agent. Just because you can be your own registered agent doesn't mean you should. My take on this? No, you should not. Here's why. Your address becomes public. Anyone can search for it. If you run your business from home, do you really want your home address out there? You must always be available. If you aren't physically at your address during business hours, you could miss important legal notices. Mail can get lost. If you're in an apartment or don't check mail regularly, you might miss critical documents. It takes up mental energy. Constantly being on the lookout for legal notices can be stressful. You could miss a lawsuit. If you don't receive a legal notice in time, you might not even know about a lawsuit against you, leading to a default judgment. The state can shut down your business. If the state cannot reach your registered agent, they can dissolve your LLC or corporation. For these reasons, almost all businesses hire a professional registered agent service instead. The risks of not having a professional registered agent. If you act as your own registered agent and are unavailable, your business could face serious consequences, such as default judgments, losing a lawsuit without even knowing about it, state penalties for noncompliance, business dissolution if the state cannot reach you. Luckily, professional registered agent services ensure compliance and keep your personal information confidential. They also scan and store documents online, making it easy for you to access everything securely. Another huge advantage: if you get sued, you don't want legal papers served at your home or business. It's embarrassing and unprofessional. Having a registered agent prevents all of these. So, it's clear that why most businesses use registered agent services, including mine, choose a professional registered agent service. They handle everything for you. Your address stays private. You don't have to be physically present during business hours. Documents are scanned and stored digitally for easy access. They're reliable. Most registered agent services cost between $100 to $300 per year, which is a small price to pay for peace of mind. I personally recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year and have been incredibly reliable for me. They operate in all 50 states, so no matter where your business is, they've got you covered. If you want a step-by-step guide on setting up a registered agent service through Northwest, I'll now show you how. Let's walk you through how to set up a registered agent in any state. To do this, we're going to use northwestregisteredagent.com. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to set up a registered agent through Northwest Registered Agent. Select Get a Registered Agent on the left-hand side. From there, you can learn more about registered agents in your state or get started right away by clicking Hire Northwest Now. Scroll through, find your state, and click Continue. Fill out details about your company, including its name and entity type. Fill out your contact information, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. You'll have the option to add on additional items like a business domain, website, email, and phone number. Look through each option and see if any apply to your business. To complete the process, pay using a major credit card. And that's it. Now you know all about registered agents in any state and how to set one up.